Gabriel is 10 weeks old today and hanging out in his crib. We just went for a run and it's hot outside, so he was not liking it. 90 degrees. The dogs weren't liking it either, as you can tell from Steeler panting. Does look happy though. It was my first run with the dogs. Went good. There's the chin fist action. We love to do that. Are you gonna talk? Where's Mama's big boy? Say hi. Look how big you are. Hey, buddy. Too busy to smile.